My name is Dhavesh Raj Dinesh Kumar and I'm currently studying in Anglo-Chinese School, Independent. My primary school was Chachukang Primary School. It is an immense honor and privilege to stand before you today as the recipient of the prestigious Mind Structure Special Achievement Award for the PSLE class of 2022. This award recognizes excellence in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities, and I'm truly humbled to be among the distinguished awardees. Allow me to share with you a little of my journey. During the arduous months of June and July, I faced the challenge of balancing my academic commitments with my passion for cricket, a sport that I've always had a natural inclination for, and for which I had secured 3 DSA offers. On top of that, I also involved in my school badminton CCA and played a role as a captain. As the intensity of my schedule mounted, I soon realized that effective time management would be the key to attaining success in both sports and my studies. Consequently, I formulated a strategic timetable which helped me manage my time efficiently and productively. On most weekdays, I devoted my time to my studies, revising my schoolwork and mind structure worksheets. Whenever I encountered difficulties, I sought invaluable assistance of my mind structure teachers, either by seeking their counsel via text messaging or by clarifying my doubts during my next lesson. On weekends, my focus would shift to my beloved sport of cricket, where I would participate in training sessions and club matches, honing my skills and sharpening my abilities. On some days, I would have to rush for my mind structure class immediately after my cricket training, barely even having time for lunch. During these tough times, my MS teachers were empathetic and supportive. They gave me the extra boost to pay attention during lessons. Despite the exhaustion after training, I persevered with my studies, driven by the conviction that my efforts would ultimately pay off. My diligence and dedication were rewarded when I achieved a PSLE score of 5 and was also offered confirmed places in the IP program at Raffles Institution, ACSI, and Victoria School through the Cricket DSA talent domain. After much contemplation, I opted to attend ACSI because I believed that it offered me the best opportunity to balance my sporting and my academic aspirations. To this day, I continue to implement the same fundamental principles of time management, ensuring that I make the most of my academic and co-curricular pursuits. I'm very grateful to Mind Structure for providing me with the foundation and resources to achieve this feat, and thank my parents and school teachers for their unwavering support and encouragement. As a final word, I encourage all my fellow students to strive for excellence and to be driven by passion, perseverance, and a constant commitment to success. With determination and a positive mindset, we can all achieve our aspirations and make a meaningful impact on society. Thank you once again, Mind Structure, for this invaluable recognition, and thank you to all who have played a role in my journey thus far. Thank you.